It's been quite long that I have made a video with you guys, like solving some problems. Actually, I had shifted my focus a bit. I was working on dev stuffs, and now I'm back to DSA. Currently, the exam season is on. I'm giving my midterms now, so would be a bit busy. But I'll try to post the solution as much as I can. So today we are solving find the divisibility array of a string. Okay, we are solving this particular problem. Now the key over here is, if you like read the problem thoroughly once, like you have been given a zero index string, you have been given a string, and then you have to make a divisibility array out of it. You have been given an integer as well. So the thing is that you'll have to create a number from 0 to the given index and check whether that given number is divisible by m or not. If it is divisible, you just need to set the answer array of at that particular index as 1, otherwise you will just set it as 0, and you have to return this divisibility array. So if you have a close look at the example over here, m is over here 3, and the output is somewhat like this: 1 1 triple 0, then two ones and then two zeros. It is so because the only four prefixes 999, 998244 and 9982443, those were divisible. Okay, so a bad approach of solving this problem would be using big integer. Like while solving, I'll show you my submissions as well. Over here I've solved, I have taken 4 attempts to solve this particular problem. Okay, so one way I was doing it like this, but for inputs like this where the word is like too hell big, it would give you TLE, because you will be using big of n square. Because the idea which I used initially was that I'll be making substrings from, like from just like over here. Let's see the example: 8, then 83, then 831, then 8316, then 83167, and each time I'll just mod it with m and check whether it is 0 or not. So that approach is very bad. We won't be doing that approach now. Another approach would be, what I'll do is, at each instance, at first I'll set the remainder to be 0. Okay, and at each instance I'll try to find out the remainder. Okay, and what I'll do is that for the next instance, what I'll do is that remainder into 10 plus the next number that is coming up. Like for example, if I take the number as, let's say, 3, for this particular, not this example, let's go for a smaller one. Yes, over here, like for this particular, or for this example only, let's take 1010. If I'll take 10, so I'll get remainder 0. So it would give me 0 only. But for the next 10, what I'll do is that 0 into 10 plus 0, so that way it would become 10, and then it is divisible, so it is giving me 1. So like that I would do. So let's see the code once, and alongside I'll explain you all. So first what I'll do, I'll take int I, this is my loop control variable, I'll set it to 0, and I'll make an answer array. Okay, which would be the divisibility array, and it would be equal to the word, the length of the word. Okay, then what I'll do is I'll just run a loop, and up first, but before that I'll just make a remainder variable as 0. Okay, now what we'll have to do, we'll just loop through the entire string once while I is not equal to word dot length. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll take the character, I'll extract the character. So char ch is equal to word dot char at I, and I'll take the digit out of it. Let's name it D. It should be ch minus 0. This is one of the way of converting characters to digits. Okay, so I've got the digit. Now what I was thinking, I'll make the remainder as remainder equal to remainder into 10 plus the digit, and then I'll mod it up that way, modulus m. So I'll get the number over here. Now I'll check if this remainder is equal to 0. In that case, what I shall do is just simply I'll set ans I plus plus as my 1. Otherwise, what I want, just ans I plus plus to be set as 0. And at last, I shall just return the answer array. This is the way it should be done, I guess. Let's see. Let's run this code once. Let's run it. Hmm. All the test cases are passed. Let me submit it once. And yes, it is solved. So I hope you got the understanding of this particular problem. See you in the next problem. Till then, bye bye.